Let us see this one more problem on exponential Fourier series. Find the exponential Fourier series of the waveform shown and plot its frequency spectrum. So therefore, this is the given problem, very simple problem. So let us see what is the time period of this waveform. So the time period of this waveform is very clearly noticed that it is equal to 2 pi. The time period of this waveform is 2 pi. So let us find out this equation of the straight line. So similar to previous examples, we have done lot of examples. So let us find out the equation of x of t. So one point is 0, 0 and the other point is 2 pi, a. So what is the slope of the line? The slope of the line is equal to a by 2 pi, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. With this point and with this slope, determine the equation of x of t or f of t, doesn't matter, x of t minus 0 is equal to a by 2 pi into t minus 0. So from which, so what is the equation of x of t? The equation of x of t is equal to a by 2 pi into t. So in the interval 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So that is over one cycle. So now let us write the exponential Fourier series of periodic signal. So very simple formula. The exponential Fourier series of periodic signal. Remember that it is for periodic signal given periodic signal x of t is, what is the simple formula? So x of t or f of t. So what is simple summation? N is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power j n omega 0 t. If we add all the complex exponential signals, we approximate exactly one cycle of x of t. So that is the meaning of this equation. So that is what you have to understand. In the interval t0 less than t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught, which is also called as this capital T, time period of the given waveform. So this is the very important formula. So where we only want to find out Cn and just substituting in the Cn. So here, so what is omega 0 for this problem? Omega 0 is equal to 2 pi by t. So therefore 2 pi by 2 pi. So which will come out as 1. So let us substitute in the given x of t. So therefore our x of t will become summation. So n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power j nt. So in the each interval we are approximating over what is the cycle we have taken? 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So this is the cycle we have taken. So just to find out what is Cn. First let us write the formula for Cn. So very simple formula Cn. What is Cn formula? Exponential Fourier series coefficient formula. Very simple formula, 1 by t. So integral t0 to t0 plus capital T. F of t or x of t you can take. So x of t into e power minus j n omega 0 t dt. So this is the formula. So just to substitute the values, 1 by 2 pi. So what is the cycle we have taken? 0 to 2 pi. So the time period is 2 pi. So therefore x of t, what is x of t equation in this interval? So what is x of t equation? A by 2 pi into t into e power minus j nt dt. You can check that omega 0 is equal to 1. So just to find out this, so very simple one. So therefore a by 4 pi square, 2 pi will become 4 pi square. So integral 0 to 2 pi. So t into e power minus j nt dt. So carefully calculate the value of this integral. So by using UV rule. So integration of UV rule. So let us find out very simple one. So therefore the exponential Fourier series coefficient Cn is equal to a by 4 pi square. So let us do that. The first function t into integration of e power minus jnt is e power minus jnt by minus jn. Carefully observe. So integration of differentiation of t is 1. Integration of e power minus jnt is e power minus jnt by minus jn. If you again integrate, e power minus jnt by minus jn whole square. So substitute the limits. What are the limits? 0 to 2 pi. So here carefully substitute the limits. A by 4 pi square, as explained in the previous class. E power minus j 2n pi is 1. So therefore substitute in place of t 2 pi. So therefore it will become 2 pi by minus jn, because if you substitute here e power minus j 2 pi n is 1, as explained in the previous class, minus e power j 2n pi is 1 by minus square is plus, so therefore it will write it as jn square. If you substitute the lower limit, so this term is 0, minus into minus plus lower limit 1 by jn square. So cancel out these two terms. So therefore, so it will come out as, if you take to the j to the numerator, so it will come out as aj by 2 pi n. aj by 2 pi n. So this is the answer for Cn. So here I am writing. So what is the exponential Fourier series coefficients we got? Cn is equal to aj by 2 pi n. So remember that for every problem you have to check. So if you substitute n is equal to 0 here, C0 coefficient will become infinity. So therefore the entire summation will become infinity. So therefore for this purpose, for every problem you have to check C0 value. Here if you substitute 0 here, 1 by 0 infinity. If you substitute in the summation, the entire summation will become infinity. So let us find out the C0 component separately. So as explained in the previous class, C0 formula is 1 by t into, so just to substitute n is equal to 0. So this is t0 to t0 plus t x of t into dt. So this is the average value formula. Simple that average value formula similar to A0 of trigonometric Fourier series. So what is the time period? 1 by 2 pi. So integral 0 to 2 pi. In this interval, what is the equation of x of t? A by 2 pi into t into dt. So therefore what is the answer? A by 4 pi square. So integration of t is t square by 2, 1 by 2. T square, if you substitute the limits, 4 pi square. So you can check that, you cancel out 4 pi square, 4 pi square. So the answer will come out as a by 2. So let us substitute these values in the exponential Fourier series. So that will be the answer. So therefore the exponential Fourier series, just first write the formula, summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power j nt. So in the interval 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So this is our summation. So now let us write x of t is equal to, so if you substitute 0 here, C0 e power 0 once, first write separate term C0. So therefore it will become a by 2 plus summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity. So what is the Cn answer? Cn answer we got is aj by 2 pi n. So into e power j nt. So you have to clearly mention n is not equal to 0, because n is equal to 0 term we have written here. So in the interval 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So by observing the signal itself, you can say that it has average value. I said earlier how to know whether the average value is 0 or not. So this waveform has average value since there is no negative area in the given waveform. So this is the answer for this problem. So let us, similar to previous one, let us find out the magnitude of C1, C minus 1, C2, C minus 2, like that. So what is C1? Here Cn is equal to aj by 2 pi n. Substitute 1 here, aj by 2 pi. What is the magnitude of C1? So the magnitude of C1 is equal to a by 2 pi. Similarly, C minus 1. Oh, what is C minus 1? So if you substitute it will become minus j a by 2 pi. So if you take magnitude of C minus 1, so what is the magnitude? A by 2 pi. As I said earlier in the previous problem, same magnitudes will come. So C2, let us substitute C2 in this problem. So it will become j a by n pi. So what is the magnitude of C2? The magnitude of C2 is equal to a by, so if you substitute n is equal to 2 here, it will become 4, actually 4 pi, aj by 4 pi. So therefore magnitude is a by 4 pi. C minus 2. Similarly, C minus 2 is equal to minus j a by 4 pi. So the magnitude of C minus 2. The magnitude of C minus 2. What is magnitude of C minus 2? A by 4 pi. Like that last one, let us substitute C3. So what is C3 in this problem? Ja by 6 pi. And C minus 3 is ja minus ja by 6 pi. So the magnitude of C3 is equal to a by 6 pi. So the magnitude of C minus 3 is a by 6 pi. So let us plot all these magnitudes in one diagram. So that is called as the frequency spectrum. Frequency spectrum. So as I said earlier. So what is this frequency spectrum? Simply plotting the magnitude of exponential Fourier series coefficients versus n. So 0. So plot n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 2. N is equal to 3. So on. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So on. So at C0, what is the value of C0? So we got the C0 value is a by 2. Let us represent it as a by 2. C1. So C1 we got a by 2 pi. So a by 2 pi. C minus 1 exactly has same amplitude. A by 2 pi. C2 has a by 4 pi. That means amplitude decreases. A by 4 pi. C minus 2 has exactly same amplitude. So a by 4 pi. C3 has a by 6 pi. So C minus 3 has exactly a by 6 pi. So as I said earlier, so this is also called as omega 0. The magnitude of or the amplitude of given signal at omega 0 frequency is this. 3 omega 0, the amplitude of the signal is like this. Sorry, 2 omega 0. So 3 omega 0. So this is also taken as minus omega 0, minus 2 omega 0, minus 3 omega 0. So this is called as magnitude spectrum. So magnitude spectrum, always this magnitude spectrum you can see that has even symmetry. So this is all about this. So on, you can mention so on like that. So therefore this is the very simple problem finding the exponential Fourier series coefficients of given signal. Thank you.